Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll take you on a journey through the process of designing aquaponics systems and explore how this revolutionary farming method can transform urban agriculture. Before we get our hands wet, let's start with the first step: planning. Urban farmers carefully strategize their aquaponics systems, considering factors like the types of fish and plants they want to grow, available space, and the resources they have. Once the vision is clear, it's time to select the right components. Farmers meticulously choose fish tanks, hydroponic grow beds, pumps and filtration systems to create a harmonious and efficient ecosystem. Meet the stars of our aquaponics show, the fish. In the aquaculture setup, farmers choose fish species that thrive in closed environments. They ensure the fish have a comfortable habitat with proper aeration, water quality, and temperature control. Now let's head over to the hydroponics setup. Farmers carefully select plants that can efficiently use the nutrient-rich water from the fish tanks. Inert growth media, like expanded clay pellets, provide support to the plants. Water is the lifeblood of aquaponics. A sophisticated pump system circulates water between the fish tank and the hydroponic grow beds, ensuring a perfect balance.
So the aquaponics cycle essentially begins by feeding your fish. And that water you see coming out over there, that's water that's actually been filtered by plant roots and coming back into the fish tank. And that water leads through the pipe here. Some of the actual physical solids of the poop settles here, and then the rest of the water flows outside. So you have a constant loop: fish tanks, out to grow beds, into the pumps, back to fish tank, out to grow beds.
The nutrient-rich water from the fish waste nourishes the plants, while the plants purify the water for the fish. Maintaining water quality is essential for the well-being of both fish and plants. Aquaponic systems incorporate mechanical and biological filtration to remove solid waste and keep the water pristine.
I'm just checking the water quality before I feed them. This is the ammonia here. If there's too much ammonia, that's like literally waste in the water, then I won't feed them.
Regular testing of pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels ensures a healthy environment. Nutrient management is the key to success. Farmers carefully monitor and adjust the fish feedings to prevent excess nutrient accumulation, ensuring a harmonious balance in the system. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting episodes. Now that we've uncovered the secrets of designing aquaponics systems, let's dive into the incredible benefits this revolutionary urban farming method brings to our cities. In a world of limited space, aquaponics comes to the rescue. Vertical farming is the name of the game, making use of every inch of available land, even transforming abandoned buildings into thriving farms. A sustainable future starts with water conservation. Aquaponics reduces water usage by a staggering 90% compared to traditional soil-based agriculture, ensuring our precious resource is used wisely.
There's almost no evaporation in these systems. The only usage of water comes through transpiration, what the plants actually utilize. Comparing to soil agriculture, plants can only take up water through the tips of their roots, so you need to soak the top layer of soil in order for the water to get down to where the plant can actually use it. So that top layer of topsoil, all that water just evaporates.
Imagine having fresh, locally grown produce available right in the heart of the city. Aquaponics empowers urban farmers to supply their communities with nutritious food, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and its associated carbon emissions. Say goodbye to seasonal limitations. Indoor aquaponics systems provide a year-round growing season, unaffected by external climate variations. No matter the weather, there's always a bountiful harvest. Nature's cycle at work. In aquaponics, fish waste acts as natural fertilizer for plants, while the plants purify the water for the fish. It's a beautiful closed-loop system that minimizes waste and promotes sustainability. Urban agriculture is about more than just food. Aquaponics fosters community engagement and education, empowering people with a deeper understanding of sustainable farming practices and where their food comes from. Aquaponics opens doors for entrepreneurship. farmers can turn their passion into a thriving business, selling locally grown produce and contributing to the economic development of the community. As we conclude our aquaponics adventure, we envision a greener, more sustainable urban landscape. The fusion of aquaculture and hydroponics brings us closer to a future where cities grow their own food, thriving in harmony with nature. Together, let's embrace the power of aquaponics and sow the seeds of change for a healthier, more resilient tomorrow. And there you have it. If you feel we've earned it, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. As always, we truly appreciate you taking the time to watch today's episode. We hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.